Using the Best Egg Loan Calculator is a straightforward process that can help you determine how much you can borrow and what your monthly payments will be. To get started, navigate to the Best Egg website and click on the Loan Calculator tool. First, you will need to enter the amount you wish to borrow. This can be a specific amount or a range, depending on your needs. Next, you will need to select the loan term, which is the amount of time you have to repay the loan. Best Egg offers loan terms ranging from 3 to 5 years. After entering the loan amount and term, you will need to enter your credit score. This is used to determine the interest rate you will qualify for. Generally, a higher credit score will result in a lower interest rate. If you are not sure of your credit score, you can check it for free on various credit reporting websites. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click the Calculate button. The loan calculator will then provide you with an estimated monthly payment amount and the total interest you will pay over the life of the loan. You can adjust the loan amount and term to see how it affects your monthly payments and total interest paid. It is essential to review the terms and conditions of the loan carefully before applying. Make sure you understand the interest rate, fees, and repayment terms. Best Egg also offers a pre-approval process that allows you to check your loan options without affecting your credit score. To get the most out of the Best Egg Loan Calculator, consider the following best practices. First, make sure you have a clear understanding of your financial situation, including your income, expenses, and debt obligations. This will help you determine how much you can afford to borrow. Second, shop around and compare rates from different lenders to ensure you are getting the best deal. Finally, read reviews and check the lender's reputation before applying for a loan. By following these steps and best practices, you can use the Best Egg Loan Calculator to make informed decisions about your loan options and find the best loan for your needs. Remember to always review the terms and conditions carefully and consider seeking professional advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the loan process.